Good afternoon, guys and gals. Froggy here. You saw one or two of my other videos about fixing up this fence, and I thought some of you might be interested in what I am going to plant, or what I did plant, to make it nice on this end of the yard. Basically, this is a purple hop seed shrub type plant. I put 7 of them in, and they're not supposed to be flowering or dropping leaves or any of that stuff because it's right next to the pool. So that's what I did. But what was interesting today, I guess, what I want to show you is the upgrade to the watering system I did. So I had 3 risers, 1, 2, 3, one on the end there. And to them, I added these little additions that will take 1/4-inch tubing, and then I ran bubblers like that right there, a bubbler to each one of the shrubs. Oh, it just went off. I just wanted to show it to you running. So that's the plan anyway. In between that, I'm probably going to put some succulents, just a variety of succulents down around the ground. They might get overtaken by the shrub. I don't know. This shrub can be shaped into a hedge. So what it is basically is going to be a privacy hedge. It'll grow about 10 feet-ish, and it'll grow maybe 3 feet wide on each side. So it'll get to be a pretty big shrub. So anyway, that's all. Just a little quickie. I didn't want to bore you with me digging 7 holes. That was just really back-breaking work. I hope I never have to do that again. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. If you have any comments about this shrub, I'd appreciate the comments. I figure maybe some of you guys are into gardening. Let me actually give you, if I can, a detail on what this thing is. Purpurea varnished leaf. All right. And there it is. Full sun. It's got that 6 to 10 feet tall, good. 5 to 8 wide, good. Spacing. I spaced them a little closer than that because I want to shape them into a hedge. It wants moisture, so we've got that addition to the watering system. So let me know what you think about these. Okay? Froggy out. Bye-bye.